Hello guys, do you want to learn how to make landing pages like these? Well, stick around and see how to make these using Google AI Studio, Google Anti-Gravity and Claude Code. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Kamsy and I am an AI vibe coder that uses Lovable and other AI to create web apps and websites. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a stunning shoe landing page using Google Anti-Gravity, Claude Code and Google AI Studio. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, so here I am on Google Anti-Gravity and this is where we're going to start off with. So let me just paste in the prompt and let's see how we start this off. So this is the prompt. Act as an award-winning product designer. Design a premium landing page for a shoe brand called Aether, inspired by Apple, Nike, Linear and Verso. Include hero, featured products, storytelling, benefits, testimonials, sustainability, CTA, premium typography, smooth animations, glassmorphism, responsive layout and conversion-focused UX. Explain design decisions. So let's send a message and let's see what Google Anti-Gravity comes up with. Hello guys. Right, so as the prompt is still loading, essentially what it is going to do is create us a beautiful landing page, as you can see right here. So this is basically what I've done first. I've told it to make the image and now it's going to make it into a landing page. So I'll get back to you guys when it's been created. Okay guys, so Google Anti-Gravity has now built it. Let's see what we can do about it and let's see how we can view it. So it says you can view the final result by opening index.html file in your browser. So if I was to just click on, no, not that. No, so this is just all of the code. It won't show it all here. But then if I was to click on this and go to index, it should show me it. Okay guys, so this is all the code that Google Anti-Gravity has built us. So I'm going to just copy all of it and move it straight onto Claude Code. Okay guys, so here is the website. As you can see, to be honest, I'm actually it's okay, but I still think there's still more room for improvement. So I'm gonna take this onto Claude and see what Claude can do about it. Okay guys, so here I have put in the file from Anti-Gravity and I've put it onto Claude Code. So now I'm going to type and so now I'm going to paste in the prompt. And actually what this prompt is not to actually just completely redesign the app and to edit it. It's just for Claude to find out how we can make it more professional. So I'm going to also add on, find a way to make this website, to make this landing page more professional. And let's see what Claude Code comes up with. Okay guys, so just as the command is running and as it's making as it's editing the file, just gonna let you guys know that what Claude here is actually gonna do is edit the website, not completely change it out. It's just gonna try and make it look more professional. That's basically what the prompt is here. So saying allow Claude to run check node. I'm gonna always allow so it doesn't waste as much time. And I'll get back to you guys when it's made it. Okay guys, so Claude has finished finished editing the file. So let's read over what it said it's done. It's made a real by module, as you can see right here. It's made a spec table with test methods in footnotes, named source testimonials instead of empty grey circles, and the trust bar with shipping, returns, warranty directed under the hero rather than buried in the footer and FAQ. The accent, as you can see right here, is now demoted to a scarce resource, and there's a motion cut from 1 second 40px to 0.45 seconds 18px. So let's see what is shown on the file. Yes guys, so as you can see, this is what Claude has done to the file. I'm not sure what it's done, but it's taken away the image from before and it's not really any different from what I can see. It said that it's made the buy button now actually work. I've clicked on buy button and get your pair, but it's not actually done anything. So I'll take it onto Google AI Studio and see what Google AI Studio can do about it. Okay guys, so actually what happened is that after it edited everything, it didn't actually run it or compile it because there's no Node.js on the machine. So I've already told it to now do npm install, and it's doing it right now. So I'll get back to you guys when it's actually compiled it and run it. Yes guys, so as you can see here, I've got the code base and the files that I got from Claude, and I'm going to implement it onto Google AI Studio and paste in the last prompt. So here's the prompt. The prompt is build the landing page from the architecture and design, implement one section at a time with reusable components, responsive design, semantic HTML, animations and optimization. Test each section before moving on. So if I click on build, he will now start editing the file, and I'll get back to you guys when it's been done. So guys, as you can see here, I've pasted it on, and it's now showing me a design preview, and it's now asking me to pick a design. So I think let's just go through each one. Yeah, I think I like this one, so yeah, so I'm gonna go for this one. I'll click on select the design. It's just gonna keep doing this thing, and I'll get back to you guys when it's ready. And also guys, as you can see here, I'm using the Gemini 3.6 Flash, which is their fastest model. So because this is just the finishing of the app, they're just finishing like the rest of it. So it's not really that complicated. So I've only put 3.6 Flash up on top on 3.6 Pro. Okay guys, so Google AI actually has finished. It just finished compiling the app and making it ready. Overall, I love this app. It looks so nice. Its overall aesthetic is beautiful, and the text that was used, the fonts they really match with the website, and it's overall a really good landing page. So if you want to see more videos like this, let me know, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.